about to put this motor in right now.
He's the producer.
Had a gunner Jose from Bridgeport, Connecticut stop by with a whole bunch of Honda screws that we need, man. Bolts, nuts, everything. That's love. Perfect. That's going to go right here. Mint, crispy, new bolts through the Hassport mount. Wow, look at that. It's a gunner world, man. Alright, so now just putting in the wire harness. Nice and easy. We're going to put this on now instead of opposed to later. So we're running back in here in the VTEC area. Just make sure everything is clipped up. We're going to need an oil pressure switch here. We can install that later. We have our VTC. We have our crank position sensor. This K-series harness is so easy to work with. Okay, so we have to change that to K20. That's fine. So that crank position sensor goes to K20. Swing this around here. So much easier to work with this stand too. You see how mobile I am? So this guy here, okay, so cam. We've got some moving around. Yeah, we're gonna have to extend that. We're going to have to bring this across. And this is throttle body, charge, fuel. Okay. You know what? Let's, yeah. That's good. We'll just leave it like this. We don't have to plug it in. We'll just leave it like that. Because we're going to have to move some stuff around. So that's it. Let's get ready to put this motor in. Now this vane engine stand is one of the first ones. It's almost lean, so we might have to jack up the front of it. But I didn't have my other stand ready while I was putting this motor together. But it's very simple. We'll still make it work. So you're good. Keep going. Okay, that's it. Move that up. Go ahead. Money. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I'm getting close to that trans. Keep going. Good. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, that's it. Now it has to come forward. The header. Okay, so. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. No, we're good on this side. Go ahead. Okay. Okay. Now the header, we're gonna have to jack up the motor. Jack up the motor up. Yeah, this is actually the first stand that they made. So we're just going to jack up the stand and see if we can get it to come back because it's tilted too far forward. Go ahead, Trey. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay. I have to try and go down. I'm gonna have to try to go down. Yes, sir. You're looking good on that trans side. I'm looking decent over here. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna hit here. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. gonna have to swing the motor a little bit so I can get this mount to go down. Okay. Now I believe, yeah, I'm probably just gonna end up retiring this stand because, yeah, we're not really doing a lot of lean setup. So my other gray stand is somewhere else around here. I think it's upstairs. If we would have used that, it would have walked right in. So we'll line up the two mounts on each side and Project Driver look good. And something about fresh bolts. Alright, push it back just a little bit towards you. Yeah, perfect. Keep going. Right there, money. Done. Try your side. I wouldn't tighten that. I would tighten those two only, and then when that is up, perfect. And now that's gonna actually lift it up, and then that 17 will drop. Perfect. There you go. Oh, send it home. Send that one home. And then that one thread it more by hand. And that's it. Now I have to put the switch. Oh, perfect. Too short. Alright, I'll give you a longer. That's it. Forget about that 17. Go up, Chuck. Let's get this cart out of the way and everything. I'm gonna leave this on. Orders in. Now we'll just take the arms off of the actual motor, and then we'll just start bolting stuff up. Start putting the axles in, and motor's in. Everything is tight. We'll mess around with the wiring a little bit. Now we're just adding the serpentine belt onto the Carcept power steering AC removal kit, and that's pretty much it. A lot of information in this video. I'm gonna end it now. Please remember, when you're working with those union fittings, they're not the safest thing in the world. So make sure that the line is pushed all the way down. I didn't want to leave out this information and have you guys repairing lines and completely forgetting about that. So I hope this video was super informative. I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. And yeah, Project Driver continues. We're done with the long block, the engine bay. We'll move on the coolant. We'll move on to the interior. We're cleaning up the wiring. And I don't know. Yeah, leave some positive comments. Leave some thumbs up on the video. I'd appreciate it. I'm working my tail off to get this channel to, grow. So for me and Trappy, keep gunning.